Okay, welcome back, and today's video is about Rollei Blackbird. I've had the film a while and I've taken the shots and scanned them a few weeks ago, and I've just not got round to, well, that's not true. I've not had a chance really to scan them and like do a video about them, so that's why it's here. I was reminded by somebody that my channel does say black and white film photography, and I have been doing some colour stuff, and there's going to be some more colour stuff, so I'm looking, should I change the name to something else to the channel because of what they said, and they know who they are. So yeah, Rollei Blackbird, 64 ISO, black and white film, high contrast. It's my sort of thing. I had never used it before, and the day I went out to take the shots, I didn't take my camera with me, so I filmed on my mobile phone. You're going to see some clips coming up of me talking about what I was doing. So the quality isn't that good, the audio quality isn't brilliant either, but it'll give you an idea of what I was trying to get. So I did the shots over 2 days. The first day was really foggy, and the second day was bright winter sunlight. I don't think either conditions really suited this film very well. When you see them, I think you may get the same feel with it, because the fog didn't really suit it well, and the high contrast light. You'll see a photograph of my friend I took, and the pictures of church. They were taken the day after, when it was quite bright and sunny. I also developed it in Xtol, and it's not my favourite developer. I like my ID11. I like my microphone now I've tried using it. So I really want to try and get hold of another roll at some point and do another set of shots in different lighting conditions. But anyway, here's the footage, and at the end you'll see some photographs that I took through the day. Oh, if you want me to post the photographs in a link so you can download the actual files, just let me know in the comments below and I'll do that. Cheers. So I thought I'd come up with some black and white film. I've got some Rollei Blackbird, and it's 64 ISO, I think. That's how I've set it. And just wanted to see what I could do in the fog. Now, I've not got my normal camera with me. I'm just using my mobile phone today, because I didn't think I was going to be taking any shots at all. And I've seen quite a few nice photographs that I want to do. I don't want that first sign in, but I want to get past that and the life belt just here to get the shot of the tree. And I don't obviously mind the sign in the background, but you can see how much nicer shot that's going to make in black and white. Actually, I might actually convert this to black and white, these film shots that I'm doing now, because it might actually make it more atmospheric. But trust me, it is so desperately cold. It's actually brighter than you perhaps think. I've just done some shots, and I was running at 250 the second at f4. And I just think it's the whiteness. Now, whether that's going to cause me problems, should I do exposure compensation or bracket my exposure, I don't honestly know what to do. I think I'm just going to leave it as it is and see how they come out. I've never actually worked with this film before, so it's new to me. It's high contrast films, which is obviously my thing, but we'll see what happens. This kind of interesting shot under the canopy here of these trees, looking into the distance with the trees in the fog in the background. Now, here's the thing. When I use the Adults 20 ISO film, it quite actually cut through the fog. So you don't actually necessarily know if it's going to be like like what I see with my eyes, or it's going to be completely fogged out or not fogged out at all. And it depends how the actual film works. So I don't know. So I'm going to take one shot of this and hopefully get one nice shot out of this.